Привет! Welcome to lesson Greetings and Introductions in Russian. Today we are learning the most essential phrases in Russian, how to say your name, and how to ask how someone is doing.
Hey, how you doing?
This is the first lesson after the alphabet. If you haven't watched the alphabet, go to that lesson first and then come back to this lesson. Before we begin with our main lesson, let's do the warm-up exercise. This pronunciation exercise will help you with today's practice. Repeat after me. Пли, привет. Рис, лис, Борис. Бро, бло, добро, добрый, добрая, добрая. Здра, сдла. Здравствуйте, здравствуй. Нар, нал. Нормально. These sounds will help you pronounce today's greetings perfectly. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself in Russian. Look at these examples on the screen. First we have Sveta. Sveta saying, Меня зовут Sveta. My name is Sveta. Then next we have Maxim. Maxim says, Меня зовут Maxim. My name is Maxim. The phrase Меня зовут literally means me they call. So they call me this name. This is exactly how Russians say my name is. Let's practice. Say your own name using this pattern. Привет, меня зовут. Привет, меня зовут Катя. Remember, привет means hello or hi in an informal, friendly way. Now, let's understand the grammar behind introductions. Look at this chart showing different pronouns. First person singular, меня, me. Second person singular, тебя, you, informal. Third person singular, его, it's written with его, but we say it его. For him, ее, for her. First person plural, нас, us. Second person plural, вас, you formal or plural. Third person plural, их, them. They all end with the word зовут. So, меня зовут, my name is, literally means me they call. Тебя зовут, your name is. Его зовут, his name is. Ее зовут, her name is. And их зовут, their name is. Okay, this is very important. Russian has different greetings for formal and informal situations. On the left, we have informal greetings. Use these with friends, family, people your age. Привет, hello or hi. Пока, bye. On the right side, we see formal greetings. Use these phrases with strangers, older people, and in professional setting. Здравствуйте. The pronunciation is very difficult, but it is important. Здравствуйте. We don't pronounce the V in the middle. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. The first V in the middle. We don't pronounce. The second we pronounce. Здравствуйте. This is formal hello. До свидания. До свидания. This is formal goodbye. And again, there will be some lessons here and there repeating the same thing. When we have unstressed vowels, their pronunciation is a little bit different when it's stressed. So we do not say до свидания. До is unstressed. We say до свидания, kind of saying the instead of the o. So when o is stressed, it is very clear o. When it's not stressed, it is closer to a. До свидания. And here are time-specific greetings. For example, доброе утро, good morning, добрый день, good afternoon, good day, добрый вечер, good evening. Notice the pattern. Добрый for masculine time words. Доброе for neuter. Утро is neuter because it ends on o. That's why we say доброе утро, but добрый день, добрый masculine. Добрый вечер, вечер is masculine, we say добрый вечер. You will learn more about feminine, masculine, and neutral genders in the next lesson. Now let's practice asking and learning people's names. Look at these people on the screen. We have Regina, Misha, Igor, Елена, and the couple Artyom и Natasha, and Vadim. Let's practice asking, как их зовут? What are their names? Point to each person and practice. Ее зовут Regina. Her name is Regina. Его зовут Миша. His name is Misha. So how do we ask the question first? Как ее зовут? Ее зовут Regina. Как его зовут? Его зовут Миша. Как его зовут? Его зовут Игорь. Как ее зовут? Ее зовут Елена. Как их зовут? Их зовут Артем и Наташа. Как его зовут? Его зовут Вадим. His name is Vadim. Remember, его for males, ее for females, их for multiple people. Now let's practice reading dialogues out loud. I'll read them first, then you repeat. Диалог А. Dialogue A. Доброе утро. Меня зовут Антон. А как тебя зовут? Привет. Меня зовут Олег. Очень приятно, Олег. Очень приятно, Антон. Okay? So we have Доброе утро, good morning. Меня зовут, my name is, and then the name Антон. А как тебя зовут? And what is your name? Привет. Informal hi. Меня зовут Олег. Очень приятно. Nice to meet you. Literally means very pleased. So like very pleased to meet you. Диалог Б. Здравствуйте. Меня зовут Мария. А как вас зовут? Добрый вечер. Меня зовут Борис. Очень приятно, Борис. Очень приятно, Мария. Okay, we've got here здравствуйте, so that's formal. Как вас зовут? Вас, addressing in a formal situation, people who you don't know or people who are older, вас зовут. Добрый вечер, good evening, меня зовут, and then again, очень приятно, nice to meet you, all right? So here we see the difference that we have informal conversation, тебя, ты, and formal conversation, вас, да? Очень приятно, nice to meet you, or literally means very pleased, or very pleasant, like this. Let's focus on pronunciation. Russian can be tricky, so let's practice these phrases again. First, здравствуйте. Notice how we don't pronounce the V in the middle. Again, здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Next, спасибо. The last vowel is pronounced as A because it's unstressed. Listen, спасибо, спасибо. Try it. Спасибо. These pronunciation tips will make you sound more natural. So it's really hard at the beginning to know where the stress is. You'll just have to listen how people pronounce each word and know that when certain vowels are stressed, they pronounced one way, and when they are not stressed, they pronounce the other way. Now, for our next exercise, we need to fill in the blank. I'm going to do it for you, so just listen and repeat after me. You will have partial text on screen with the blank, so that blank I'm going to fill in with my voice. You need to listen and remember what I say. Здравствуйте. So, since we see здравствуйте, we understand that the context is formal, so I know what to say next. Здравствуйте. Как вас зовут? Здравствуйте. Как вас зовут? Добрый день, Ирина. А вас? А меня Андрей. Очень приятно. Кто это? Это моя сестра. Как ее зовут? Ее зовут Марина. Кто она? Она студентка. Привет. Как тебя зовут? So I said тебя because I see привет. I understand that the situation is informal. Привет. Как тебя зовут? Антон. А это мой друг. Как его зовут? Его зовут Максим. Now let's look at these illustrations. We need to match each illustration with the correct greeting. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Good evening. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Good morning. Добрый день. Добрый день. Good day. Good afternoon. Привет. Informal hi. Здравствуйте. Formal hello. Next we have this reading exercise. Let's practice the common questions. Как дела? How are the things? Read these short dialogues. Диалог А. Привет, Лена. Как дела? Привет, Борис. Отлично. Отлично. Excellent. Диалог Б. Привет, Ира. Как дела? Привет, Артем. Хорошо. Хорошо. Good. Здравствуйте, Мария. Как дела? Добрый день, Антон. Нормально. Нормально. Normal. Okay. Нормально. 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 Диалог Д. Добрый вечер, Олег. Как дела? Здравствуйте, Елена. Плохо. Плохо. Bad. Not good. Okay, learn these responses. Отлично. Хорошо. Нормально. Плохо. Плохо. Now, let's practice both listening and reading. I'll read these dialogues and you follow along. Диалог 1. Здравствуйте. Как вас зовут? Меня зовут Андрей. А вас? Меня зовут Олег. Okay, notice how I said Олег. It's written Oleg. When the consonant is at the end, it becomes devoiced. So not a strong G, but more like a soft K. Олег. Олег. Not soft, but devoiced. G, K. G, K. Олег. Instead of O, we say A because the stress on this word is on ye. Because the stress here is on ye. So Олег, Олег, not Oleg, Oleg. Олег, that's why we say A instead of O. Олег, Олег. Диалог 2. Здравствуйте. Как вас зовут? Меня зовут Наташа. А вас? А меня Лена. We say A when there is a contrast. So, а меня Лена. It's like and, but with the contrast. When there is no contrast and the things are the same and we want to say and, we would say и. For example, меня зовут Наташа и меня зовут Наташа. But меня зовут Наташа, а меня зовут Лена. Диалог 3. Привет, Антон. Привет, Саша. Как твои дела? Спасибо, хорошо. А твои? Тоже хорошо. Хорошо, хорошо, good. Саша, это твой друг? Как его зовут? Его зовут Роман. Notice how dialogue 3 is more casual. There is привет instead of здравствуйте and твои дела instead of ваши дела. So this is the casual conversation. Ты, твои, тебя versus вы, вас, ваше. Okay, now it's time for your practice. Look at these phrases in the purple box. Здравствуйте. Hello. Привет. Hi. Добрый день. Good day. Зовут. For names. They call me. Зовут. Очень приятно. Nice to meet you. Как дела? How are you? Or how are the things? Хорошо. Good. Fine. Нормально. Normal. Okay. Рад. Рада познакомиться. Pleased to meet you. Рад for males, рада for female. So now create your own introduction dialogue. Use both formal and informal versions. Start with the greeting, then exchange names and ask how the things are going. And end politely. You try. Okay, for this exercise, we're not going to watch a video, but I'm going to read these dialogues and you need to follow along and understand which dialogue am I reading. And I'll do the check mark at the end for you. Меня зовут Зоя Османовна Казакова. Теперь живу в городе Ленинграде, Петербурге. Меня зовут Осипов Всеволод. Отчество Владимирович. Я родился, вырос и до сих пор живу в городе Архангельске. Меня зовут Лена. А меня зовут Юра. Меня зовут Таня Кудряшова. Меня зовут Александра Кудряшова. Мы живем в городе Архангельске. Меня зовут Опенков Михаил. Меня зовут Ольга Вячеславовна Поспелова. Я родилась в городе Архангельске. I hope you were able to find the dialogues that I read, but I did the check marks for you. Now let's try to translate these dialogues. In our lessons, we show the videos that I'm not going to show right now, so that's why this exercise is a little weird. But let's read and translate. Меня зовут Зоя Османовна Казакова. So my name is Zoya, that's her first name. Османовна, that's her father's name. We call it отчество in Russian. Казакова, that's her last name. Теперь живу в городе Ленинграде. Теперь, now, I live in the city Leningrad, Петербург, да, Петербурге. Before it was Leningrad, now it's called Петербург. Меня зовут Осипов Всеволод, отчество Владимирович. Меня зовут, my name is, and then he said his last name first. Last name Осипов, Всеволод, that's his first name. Отчество, that's his father's name, Владимирович. Я родился, вырос и до сих пор живу в. I was born, I grew up, and I still live in городе Архангельске, the city of Arkhangelsk. Здравствуйте, hello, меня зовут Лена, my name is Lena, а меня зовут Юра, my name is Юра. Меня зовут Таня Кудряшова, my name is Tanya, that's her first name, Кудряшова, that's her last name. Меня зовут Александра Кудряшова. So, my name is Alexandra, first name, Kudryshova, last name. Мы живем в городе Архангельске. We живем, live in the city of Arkhangelsk. Меня зовут Опенков Михаил. My name is, he said his last name first and then his first name. Опенков, last name, Михаил, first name. Меня зовут Ольга Вячеславовна. My name is Olga, first name. Вячеславовна, father's name, Поспелова, last name. Я родилась в городе Архангельске. I was born in the city of Arkhangelsk. In the Russian language, you can say your first name followed by the last name, your last name followed by the first name, your first name followed by the father's name, your first name followed by the father's name, and the last name. So there are plenty of variations. There are many variations of how you can introduce yourself. Usually you would introduce yourself by the first name or by the first name and the last name. You want to add that father's name in the formal situation, in the official setting. When you are, I don't know, giving a speech at a conference, or if you are a teacher introducing yourself to the students, you will always say your first name and then the father's name. This is a very formal, very polite way to introduce yourself. That's it for today. Excellent work. You've completed your lesson number 1, number 2 on the Russian greetings and introductions. Today you learned how to greet people formally and informally, introduce yourself and others, ask people's names, and ask how someone is doing. Keep practicing these essential phrases. They are the foundation of every conversation in Russian. In our next exercise, we will build on this knowledge and get into basic vocabulary, understanding of nouns, and understanding of possessions, and how to say I have in the Russian language. До свидания. See you next time.
In between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street.